To replace a cylinder with new cylinder, you just need to first remove the lock from the door. And this is the front assembly, the keypad side. And you see this one screw right here, okay? We're going to remove that screw, and then you'll be able to pull the key cylinder out. Okay, so I'm going to loosen that up. And usually this one is a little pretty tight. So you will need to make sure that you're pushing a little bit to remove that from, okay, and that's out. Okay, now with that screw off, you could just pull this right out. Okay, now to, this is a new key cylinder with, usually they come with 2 keys, okay, when you buy them. Now I'm gonna put this one in there. So same thing, we're just gonna reverse everything, and then put this in there. You can kind of take a look in the front, so that's what it will look like. Push that in, and then you're gonna put that one screw back. It's kind of hard to get it in there, but you see. Okay, got it. Okay, so after you put this one screw back, and then you, okay, now this locks. Make sure that it's fairly tight so the key cylinder doesn't move, okay? Okay, and now you can install this lock back onto your door, and then you'll be able to use your new keys.